Welcome to this video on the OSI model. This is day 4 of the material. The OSI, or Open System Interconnection model, describes how information moves between software applications on different computers through a physical medium. It was developed in 1984 by the ISO to address communication incompatibilities. The OSI model consists of 7 layers, which align with the 4 layers of the TCP/IP model as shown here. Layer 7 is the application layer. It provides the interface for users, such as web browsers and email clients. Layer 6 is the presentation layer. This layer translates, encrypts, and compresses data for the application layer. Layer 5 is the session layer. It is responsible for establishing, managing, and terminating communication sessions between devices. Layer 4 is the transport layer, often called the heart of the OSI model. It manages end-to-end communication flow control and error detection using TCP or UDP protocols. This diagram illustrates the difference between TCP, which uses a handshaking process, and UDP, which is connectionless. Layer 3 is the network layer. Its function is to route data packets to their destination using internet protocols. Layer 2 is the data link layer. This layer ensures error-free data transfer between nodes using frames and MAC addresses. Finally, Layer 1 is the physical layer. It handles the raw data transmission through physical mediums, such as cables or wireless signals. Thank you for watching this video on the OSI model.